Good morning, class 12. So, we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 14, national income. Okay, and this is for the student of class 12. So, in this chapter, first we will understand circular flow in the two sector economy. Okay, circular flow in the two sector economy. So, before that, let us understand concept of circular flow of income. Okay, concept of circular flow of income. So a circular flow can be observed in the economic activities of a country, and this circular flow is called circular flow of income. So we can see that in economy there is some economic activities which take place. Okay, so that also take place in a circular way. Okay, circular flow, so that is known as circular flow of income. Like, and but before understanding this we have to assume some points. Okay, like circular flow in the two sector, we need to assume that first thing, there are only two sector in the economy, and that is household and farm. So there is only two sector in the economy, that is householder household and farm. Second assumption is household sector is the owner of the factor of production. So we need to assume that household household sector is only the owner of the factor of production. Okay, so this household is only providing the what, land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. And we have to assume also that there is only two sector, which one, farm and household. Third one, all the income earned by the factors is spent. So here whatever incomes has been earned, which has to spent only. Okay, so whatever income has been earned, they have earned for the spent. There is no saving, that we have to assume. Fourth point, the economy is closed economy. Closed economy means there is no uh, transfer of goods and services in any foreign country. Okay, so there is no transfer or there is no trade between two countries. That's why it is the economy should be closed. Now I will show you this diagram clearly. Okay, now see, there is only two sector we have to assume. First is farm, second is household. So here what is there, household is only the owner of the factors of production. It means that household, okay, household will produce factor services. Factor services means household will produce land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Okay, so household will give this service. Household will give factor service, that is, as I told, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And second thing is that for that farm will do, farm will pay the factor payment. Now one more thing is that this factor service which household will give, so this factor service which household will give, for that what farm will give, farm will give the goods and services to household. So after that again what household will do, household will give for that expenditure. There is a expenditure, as you know, that consumption expenditure. So here now again listen, from household there is a factor service, means land, labor, capital and entrepreneurs household will give. Okay, and with the help of that there will be the production of goods. So as goods will produce, farm will give the goods and services to whom, to household. And then household will again spend their money on what, because household is buying the goods and services, it means household has to pay the amount. Okay, for that. Now after then again there will be the farm will pay the factor payment, because since here household is what household is doing, household is giving land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, factor service. Okay, household is giving factor service. So for that farm is Paying factor payment means land means rent, okay, wages for capital, interest for entrepreneurships, profit. Okay, now as farm is giving goods and services, so household is giving what amount, okay, for goods and services, which is consumer expenditure. So in this diagram also you can see clearly, okay, what is the clear, that is household is giving what factor services, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurs. For that farm is giving what land, rent, wages, interest and profit. This is factor service. Again farm is giving goods and services, okay. So for that what household is giving, household is giving consumption expenditure on goods and services. So this is the what factor payment, okay, and this was the factor services. Now the one more important thing which you need to note it down is that the farm, okay, the farm is giving goods and services, okay, and this is known as real flow, okay, real flow. And again after that the farm is also what household is giving what factor service. Factor service means land, labor, capital, entrepreneur. So this is real flow, it is known as real flow. Now what is money flow is that money